maths fans, welcome to a special edition of Tom Rocks Maths with many, many special guests. These two, for example, to kick us off, Kai.
Thank you very much. Yes, I'm Kai Laddiman, and I was a contestant on Channel 4's Countdown back in 2008 at the ripe old age of 11 years old.
And you were not just a contestant. Come on, let's get it all out on the table.
Yeah, okay. I was an Octa champ, which means I won 8 shows in a row, which is the maximum they let you do before they kick you off.
Okay, so the youngest ever Octa champ.
Yeah,
isn't it, right?
I guess.
You can hold this title forever now because you're not allowed on if you're under.
Yeah, you have to be 16 now to go on. So
forever, this guy right here, youngest ever Octa champ. Countdown is pretty cool. Oh. And then. James, would you like to tell everyone a bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm James Martin. I was on Countdown way back in 1997, at an age slightly older than 11. And yeah, these days I do maths. I've worked in Cambridge and in Paris, and now here in Oxford.
Yes, me and James are colleagues. So, and you're also quite famous though for your Countdown.
It got on YouTube.
Yes, it got on YouTube. This is Mr. 952. Which may mean something to some of you watching. We will talk more about that later. But James also has a very good record in Countdown, shall we say. How many did you win in a row?
Also 8. Yeah.
Also 8? Well, we've got 2 Octo champs. Yeah. I didn't even know this. This is amazing. All right, and as I said, lots and lots of special guests. So these two, with their Countdown expertise, but also the Maths Appeal team are back.
Hi.
So, guys, tell us what's going on. Tell everyone all about yourselves.
I'm Bobby Seagull.
And I'm Susan Okereke.
And we are team
Maths Appeal. And we sort of do a podcast, and it's about trying to make maths accessible to everyone. And we're here to learn how to get good at Countdown.
Exactly, and these guys are going to give us the skills and tools and the confidence by watching them play on how to get good at this game.
And we'll be doing the words and the numbers, as in writing them down.
Yes, they will be my co-hosts. So James and Kai will be playing against each other in our modified version of the famous game show. And then over in the corner we've got Bobby and Susan, the Maths Appeal team, together to be our experts for the letters and the numbers. Round 1 is going to be letters. James will be going first. So James.
Thank you, Sean. A consonant, please, Bobby.
W.
And another.
S.
And a vowel.
A.
And a consonant, please.
R.
And a vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
D.
I could already see one word.
And a vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
C.
And a vowel.
Right, now before we start the time, I should have mentioned earlier, to completely throw a spanner in the works, you get double points for a word that is maths themed if you can then explain it. Okay, so your time starts now. Time is up! Okay, so seeing as James picked the letters, let's let Kai give us his word first.
I've got a 4, but it's a mathsy 4.
Okay, so he's gone straight in with the new rule of the 4 and it's a mathsy 4, so that's equivalent to an 8. James.
Well, I'm going to argue a mathsy 6.
Oh, we've got a mathsy 6. Right.
Right.
James, what do you think you have then? I guess?
Okay, I want to have awards.
Okay. A-W-A-R-D-S. And can you convince us why this should be mathsy?
Yeah, I think, all these competitions, maths competitions, maths Olympiads, national challenges, you can win gold awards, you can win silver awards, bronze awards.
This is true. This is true. Do we have any thoughts over in the Maths Appeal team? What do we think? Are we going to give him this as a mathsy word, or are we...
In schools, we encourage people to enter the junior intermediate, senior maths challenges.
Yeah, I mean, as for me, I'd say that it's quite tenuous. I mean, I like it, but I don't know whether it's technically a word that is used in a maths context, because you have awards for geography or.
See, this is what I was thinking. I like the idea.
It's creative.
Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to hear Kai's 4, the mathsy one. And maybe you'll both get points. We're gonna play it by ear at this point. Kai, what do you think?
My 4 is arcs. So an arc is sort of part of a circle, basically. A curve, part of a circle. Sort of in a mathematical term, we use them when we're measuring angles in circles and things like that.
Yeah. See, I think that one is mathematical.
We can confirm arcs are very happy with that.
So I tell you what should we do then? This is difficult.
I think it's still a good word.
It is.
6 points as opposed to double.
Yeah, 6. Can we give double for Kai and then just a straight 6?
Okay, so we're just going to give them both points.
Okay, alright, Kai's going to get double points though because it's a maths word.
Yeah.
So Kai gets
Okay, so we're going to give Kai 8 points because that was a very, very nice maths word.
Thank you.
Well done. And James, it's a very good word, so we'll give you 6. I hope that's fair. If you disagree with us, just tell us, but we've awarded the points now. It was a democratic decision amongst the 3 co-hosts. Maths Appeal team, could we have had anything better than Kai's Mathsy 4 or James's solid 6?
Yes, so I'm going to give Susan a clue. I'm not doing
Dancing?
a dance.
Big fish, little fish, cardboard
No.
box? No? Is it meant to be a square shape?
Yeah, shapes.
Okay, I know what the word is. It's areas, which is on here.
Areas. I was doing a rectangle, I was doing a square, I was doing a triangle, I was doing a circle.
The space within the shape, but the shape you're making.
Yes.
So that's effectively areas,
Yeah.
which is 5, but would be 10 points.
10 points for that one. Okay, right, on to round 2. And this time it must be Kai
Thank you very much.
to pick those letters.
Please, could I have a consonant?
T.
And a vowel?
E.
And another vowel?
A.
And a consonant?
F.
And a consonant?
W.
A vowel?
E.
Consonant?
D.
And a vowel, please?
E.
And a final consonant, please.
Y.
And your time starts now. It's very entertaining watching you both do this, because I can sort of see what's going on in both.
You can see the cogs whirring.
Yeah, there's
See the
very
cogs
different
whirring.
approaches. It's quite. We'll talk more about this. But it's quite interesting. Okay, so you pick the letters that time, Kai. So we'll go to James first. What do we think we've got?
6.
We've got a 6 from James, and that is maths or non-maths.
Non-maths.
Okay.
I have a 6 as well, and I'm afraid it's also non-mathsy.
Okay, so we've got 2 6s, both non-mathsy. So that means, I guess, James, do you want to go first?
Wafted.
Wafted.
I also got wafted, yes. You can have a look if you'd like.
Yeah, no,
yes,
yeah,
happy.
just to confirm, yeah. So, I'm not actually sure I know what that word means. Bobby, any insight?
Wafted. So if I sort of wafted
I think
the yeah, you can have smells wafting through the
Yeah, like
air.
a smell wafting. I've got, okay,
The smell
alright.
of success.
I got
Wafts
you.
through the room, okay.
Okay, right. Fantastic. So I guess that means 6 points apiece. Maths Appeal team, did we have anything better?
Yes, we found one. Actually, I missed this, but Susan's eagle eye spotted feet, imperial unit of measurement.
Okay, yes, very nice.
Equal
Very nice.
to 12 inches, of course.
Oh.
around 30
Oh,
centimetres.
someone wants bonus points.
No, but bonus points are gone.
I like it though, yeah.
Because that would be an 8.
Yeah, that would indeed have been 8. Yeah,
Measure.
very good, very good. Okay, round number 3. We've had 2 letters rounds so far, so this brings us to the numbers, which I am super excited about. I know the Maths Appeal team are super excited. We finally get to do maths and numbers. And these guys also being mathematicians, I'm sure. This is why we're really here, isn't it? Like. Okay, so James, I believe it is going to be your turn.
Okay, could I have 4 large numbers and 2 small numbers, please, Bobby?
The classic James Martin tactic here.
Stick with what you think.
Okay.
All right.
So we have 3, 6, 100, 75, 50, and 25.
And the target?
Is 952.
And your time starts now. But does he remember how to do it? Time. Okay. So I think James might recognise this.
I do recognise this one.
So what's going on
I
here?
have a different solution to our feed.
Oh right, okay. And Kai, did you manage to get there or?
No, I got one away. 953.
Oh,
Tom.
wow.
Okay. So we start with James, who claims he's got 952, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope this works. 75 times 6 is 450.
75 times 6 equals 450.
Divide by 5 is 9. Divide by 50 is 9. 100 plus 3 is 103.
100, yeah.
Multiplied by the 9 is 927. And add on the 25.
Very nice. Yeah, I think we covered around the didn't we? That was fantastic. And I think just for the viewers, how did that differ from your original 952?
Can I remember how the original one worked? Something like...
I've just got it. I've just got it.
From the original 952?
I believe so.
All
Right,
right.
well, James, no, this is your moment. This is your thing.
100 plus 6 is 106.
Yeah.
Multiplied by 3 is 318.
118, yeah?
Yeah.
318.
318.
Oh, sorry. Oops.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then the plan is I want to multiply by 3 and take away 2. So I'm going to multiply by 75.
Whoa. Okay. Wow. Yeah. What you did. Cheers.
Just some
Know what this
number.
is?
Okay.
It's something like 23,850, maybe.
Thereabouts.
Thereabouts.
Yeah, just about.
Sure.
Around there somewhere.
Take away 50.
Wow.
Okay, it's still looking.
Yeah.
And divide by 25.
Yeah, that's what it says.
Brilliant.
Bonkers.
200, 800 divided by 25
Yeah.
equals 952.
52, hopefully.
That is-
Still, even having seen this before, it's
Yeah.
still just.
Still amazing.
It's still amazing. It's still amazing. Sorry, we could not do that, James.
Wow.
Okay. Right, so I
Okay.
guess James gets a solid 10 points then.
Oh.
Oh,
Very well done.
So 2 letters rounds and 1 numbers round in brings us to round 4. And our first conundrum of the game, not yet to be revealed. Very soon. I'm seeing a very eager Mr. Bobby Seagull behind the camera. So before we do that though, we need buzzers, don't we? So, would you like to decide upon your own method of buzz?
Could go.
Okay, we got an actual buzzer noise from Kat. James.
I think I'm just going to go with
Okay, James is so if I hear a hit the table, that's James, and some attempt
Like
to
practice,
buzz,
like,
buzz. You weren't too very good at this. Better than what I can do. Okay, right. So are we both ready?
Yes.
Are we both ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I think it's enumerator.
Enumerator!
Yeah.
Yes! Amazing! Round of applause! Well done, Dave. Very, very
Wow,
good.
wow.
Very, very good. Pressure, just as the pressure came in.
Basic.
Bang. Perfect. Right. Very, very well done.
James, could you just repeat your answer?
No, I blatantly said enumerator.
Oh no!
And the answer
So
should
I'm
have
not playing-
been...
It should have been
Numerator.
We all
numerator.
got so caught up in the last minute slam of the
That's
desk.
right, 29 seconds, said the first thing that came into my head. No, I'm not claiming my 10 for that.
Okay.
It was pretty close though. It's
close.
a lot closer than I was anyway.
I think even if your competitor is agreeing, I was thinking we should give you some points. Your competitor thinks you deserve some
You
points.
definitely deserve
Oh,
some.
so the,
Yeah, what do we
the
think
denominator
over
of the score is normally 10 points, so we should give a numerator of that denominator. Doesn't work, does it? So
How many do you think? I'll let the Mass Appeal team decide.
Oh, I know.
It's your conundrum. How many points do you think James deserves?
Okay, I think we should do a mean of this. So there's 10 points on offer. We all have 2 to give, and see who. So you, so Kai, you think you should get? Do you think you should get all 2 of your points?
Yes, I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Tom,
I'll say 1. I think half. That's
what do
good.
you think?
I'll go for 0.
It's 0.
Okay.
I
Seem
think-
very modest.
I think 1. 'cause,
Okay.
yeah,
I'd give 1 as well. So
Alright.
that 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is
5.
5.
So you're getting 5 points, James,
Okay.
whether you like it or not.
Yeah. Unfortunately, James, you've got 5 points. No, very well. That was good, especially right at the end. That was
Storming
so
into the
close.
lead. Gosh.
So close. Right. Well, it's going to be a letters round now.
Right.
So it's really hard for me to remember this. So we had James, Kai.
Yes,
Letters
yes,
round
that'd be me.
from Kai. Right.
Could we go with a consonant, please?
L.
And a vowel?
O.
Consonant?
D.
A vowel, please?
O.
Consonant?
Z.
There it is.
Let's have a vowel, please.
A.
And a consonant?
C.
Vowel?
E.
And we'll have a final consonant, please.
S.
Okay. And I'm also going to award a undecided amount of bonus points if you use Z. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Your time starts now. I'm going to call that as time. It's about 30. Right, so Kai picked the letters, which means I will go to you first, James.
I'm going to go with a mathematical 6.
We've got a mathematical 6.
I also have a mathematical 6.
Also has a mathematical 6. Alright, so James, what's your mathematical
My
6?
mathematical 6 is closed.
Okay, can you describe, I agree it's a word, can you describe why it is mathematical?
If you take an interval of the real numbers, like 0 up to 1, it's a
Okay,
closed interval if it includes its endpoints, so it includes 0 and 1,
alright, yeah.
and it's an open interval if it doesn't include its endpoints.
So you can get as close to 0 or 1 as you want, but never actually to those numbers.
That's right.
So like 0.00001 and 0.9999999, but never 0 or 1.
Correct.
Okay.
And I think in school GCSE we actually have the
We use the inequalities.
yes.
Are you talking about this? If we have 0 and 1,
Mm-hmm.
and then if we have
A circle, but it's not coloured, and that would be a closed.
that's open
Ah, nice.
because it's not including those 1 and 0.
Ah, okay, it's not
But if
including.
it was that, so this is open.
But if we colour them in,
Colour
then it's
them in
closed.
like this.
That would include 0 and 1.
Awesome, right. Nice little side tangent there. But that is indeed, no, that's good, that's good. That's what we like. This is
Tangent,
now.
tangent.
This is
Was that a deliberate side tangent?
absolutely. Oh, did I make a maths joke?
Bonus points for yourself, I think.
Thanks, Kai. Okay, so that is definitely 12, and Kai, You did close
yes, closed as well, yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kai also has closed. So
I
that's
couldn't
gonna
have
be-
explained it quite as well, but yes, that was what I meant.
It's obscurely.
Yeah. No, fantastic. Right, and then Mass Appeal team. Did we get anything else over there?
So there's obviously the word scale is there. Would scaled be a mathematical? Yeah, scaled as well. You
The scale,
scale something up.
Definitely.
And also, my parents are from India, so I like the word laddus. You know, laddus, the nice yellow Indian ball sweets you get at
Oh,
Diwali.
no, is that what they call it?
Laddus.
Spell it.
Ladoos. Laddus. Really delicious.
And that's
Wow,
sweet.
okay.
Because they're spheres, aren't they? Mathematical objects.
Now this is very tenuous.
Yeah.
But I do like the word.
Yeah.
I didn't know about that, so thank you for
You
educating
wouldn't get
us.
double points for that.
Double points.
No
It's a
way.
sphere. It's an Indian sweet
It's got
sphere.
it's got two circles in the in the word.
Right, so that's going to be 12 points each.
Hey.
Okay, round number 6. This is going to be another letters round, and Kai just chose the letters. So
Round
this
number five.
time, it's going to be. Is this
Oh,
round?
six,
No,
it's
this
six,
is
you're
number
right.
6.
Yes.
I thought I was. It's
We had a
difficult, right?
conundrum,
I'm glad that you're. Yeah, okay. I was struggling here, you know.
Yeah, me too.
So yes, round number 6 is going to be letters again. James, I believe it is your turn to pick those letters.
Okay, vowel please, Bubby.
E.
And another one.
U.
And another one.
Should we just stop there now?
Oh,
Nice.
I was
Getting those political
I was
jokes.
biting my tongue there, yeah.
Another vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
R.
And another consonant.
L.
And another one.
R.
And a consonant.
R.
And a consonant.
T.
And a vowel.
O.
And your time starts now. Right, time is up. What have we got? James? Kai? I don't know who's going first. Who wants to go first? Kai, go first.
Go on, I'll go. I've got a mathematical 5.
Okay, we've got a mathematical 5 from Kai.
And also a mathematical 5 for
James is also thinking mathematical 5. So, I guess, why not go James this time? James, what's your mathematical 5?
me. Okay, I have got ruler.
Okay, I think that's pretty mathematical. But just because to keep consistent, can you
Use it to measure things.
use it to measure things? I think we can all agree it's a very mathematical piece of stationery.
And we use straight lines all the time in maths as well.
We do.
In geometry, so we're drawing straight lines as well as measuring them.
I think that's
It's
right.
a multi-purpose tool.
Yeah.
Ruler and compasses.
So
Exactly.
Euclidean
Right, it's an
geometry
ancient
tool.
problem.
So Euclidean geometry tool, isn't it?
Yeah.
but most
Very
students at school have in their equipment pack.
And they can sometimes misuse them as well.
Hitting it here. Maths appeal team. Can we beat a 10? So a mathematical 5. What did we get over there?
So mathematically, we can't beat it. We get a 5. Computer says no.
And our word is
Uh-uh.
error.
Nice noise. I feel like Kai and Bobby should have like a sound off. Like Kai's little buzzer, Bobby's little. I'm not going to try and do it that. Very nice.
Non-mathematically, we can get realtor or relator.
Okay, so nice words, but again, in our scoring system,
10,
they're not going to be.
not 10.
Yes, exactly, right. Okay, so that's going to bring us on to the numbers round again, isn't it? Right, so should we just jump straight in, I think? Kai, numbers, please.
Could I have a 6 small, please?
Ooh.
5. 8. 9. 5. 4. 3.
And your time starts. Nope,
Ooh.
doesn't. Getting ahead of myself. You need a total, don't you?
We do, yeah. Be handy.
And the target is 940.
Okay, now your time starts. Okay, time is up. James, I will go to you first as Kai picked the numbers.
I think I have 940.
Okay, I think I have 940, and Kai.
I also think I have
We also have-
about the same level of confidence. I think I have 940.
Okay. So, as James explained fantastically 952 last time, I think we'll give you your chance, your moment to shine.
Thank you
Kai.
kindly.
So 940.
Let's see. So I've started 9 times 5 is 45. Then multiply that by 4, which gives you 180. You add 8 to that is 188. And then, all going well, you multiply by 5. That should hopefully be 940.
Do we agree? Maths appeal to you?
Yeah, and maths appears a little maths trick, probably the one the counting experts know, but
Yeah.
when we teach our students to multiply by 5, we say that 5 is the same as times
By
10
10.
divided by 2.
To do 188 times 10, which is 1,880. Then we divide that by 2.
Yeah.
That's timesing by 5. That's just a little trick.
Nice. Yeah, very helpful. Okay. Right, so I guess that's... Well, we don't know. James, did you get the same in fact? I'm just assuming you did, being, the expert you are. Yes.
Same method, yeah.
Fantastic. Right. Brilliant. Well done both. That's going to be 10 points each. Things are hotting up in round number 8 with the scores. They are about 13 apart. 59. Well, actually, you've been keeping score, Susan. What are the scores?
So
on
we've
the
got
doors?
Kai on 46 and we've got James on 59.
Okay, so based on the pattern we've been doing so far, you might be expecting a conundrum. However, we want to end the show on the conundrum, and we did mention earlier that we should probably do a bonus numbers round, all being mathematicians here. We're all keen for this. And we kind of set James up with 952. So just to make just to make it completely fair, we're going to do round 8 is going to be another numbers round. Really, really, just because we love math so much. And then we will end on a big conundrum. So you've still got a chance, Kai. You're still in the game. Still in the game. Okay, so this must therefore be James's turn
Yeah,
to
and
pick the numbers.
Let's have a 4 from the top that we have not seen before.
Okay.
6, 7, 25, 50, 75, and 100.
Please be 952.
And your target is 825.
And your time starts now. If you happen to already be done, as James looks very confident, if you can also get 952, can you also get 952 for bonus points? Bonus points the closest person to 952, as well as the correct answer. And time is up. Okay, so we'll do the original one first before I then completely change the rules partway through the round, as I've been doing a lot. Right, Kai, what did you get? So we're going for 825.
I got 825, Tom.
Okay, and James, I think we saw you were looking pretty confident early on. Is that also
Yep, 825.
All right, so Kai, do you want to give it as a shot?
Yeah, sure. 7 times 100 to kick it off. 700, and then I just added the 75 and the 50.
Oh, very easy.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. And then James. Yeah,
Same
you
way,
got
yeah.
the same thing. Right. Did anyone get anywhere near 952?
Yes!
What did you get?
Yes, I got 952.
Go for it.
Yeah, okay, right, wow. Alright, so bonus points on the table for Kai.
Okay, 7 plus 6 is 13. Multiply that by 75,
Very nice.
which is 975. And then you take away the 25, gives you 950, and you're left over with the 150.
Yeah.
So you do 100 divided by 50, gives you the 2, and add it on.
That is,
Oh my
I think that's around
goodness.
2 in 1, ladies and gentlemen. This is
Yay!
fantastic. Very well done.
Thank you.
Right, so in that case, I think that's going to be 20 points to Kai and 10 points to James. And that makes it nice and close for the big doesn't it?
It's
basically all on the table now, isn't it? Yeah. Going in to the final round.
Conundrum time.
Okay, this is now the big finale. It's you would think we may have set this up, but I mean, you guys have been watching. This is legit. This is actually the big final showdown between these two famous faces from the history of Countdown. The scores have a difference of 3, and the final conundrum is worth 10. So it literally is all on the table here. It is. This is it, really. I mean, I'm just building this up to make you both really nervous. This is entirely on purpose. Like,
my heart's beating out my chest. Gosh.
Okay, right. So just final thing before we reveal. Buzzers, are we sticking the same or are we going to change? So buzz noise, and James, you're going to hand on table again. All right, worked well last time in 29 seconds. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go.
Is it algorithm?
Yes, it is.
It is, yes. Oh, very, very quick. Very, very quick. Kai wins, that's it. That's it. Woo!
Very well played.
Very good,
It's been a pleasure.
Very good. Very well done, very well done.
Thank you, Tom. Thank
Very
you.
well done, James.
Thank you,
Very well done. I think if we had scored this correctly, probably James would have.
I would think
Not
so.
to take anything away from you, Kai,
I
but
challenge you, I did get 10 completely free gratuitous points for something I did 25 years ago.
but you know, it still deserved 10 points, even if it happened 25 years ago. Right, so again, very, very well done.
Thank you.
Kai, who is the champion. Commiserations, James, was a solid effort, and we all really enjoyed seeing 952 again. So thank you for being a good sport. And of course, co-host, Maths Appeal team, thank you so much. Hope you guys had fun.
Oh yeah, it was brilliant. I quite liked it.
In awe and admiration.
We got to have some proper chit chat about your strategies, because watching you do the working out, pretty amazing.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
And that will be coming next, so you should all now, having watched this fantastic video, first of all, totally subscribe to my channel, right? You all know this by now. But then also, watch the second part of the video, where we're going to have a chat, all three of us, myself, the Maths Appeal team, Bobby and Susan, and James and Kai, and we're going to talk all things Countdown. How do they do it? How do they prepare? What tips and sort of techniques can we take away from it? So yeah, you just click on that video, really. Right, thank you very much.